If the product seems to spring out of the cardboard box, it's not magic. Augmented reality brings life to the contents. The sophisticated advancement of the old barcode provides more than additional information. It creates lively virtual product worlds based on a printed motif. It's a bridging technology that combines electronic media with print media, an interesting topic for our customers. For the first time, they can establish a connection between the internet and the things that they're printing. And it's in packaging printing that the future of the industry lies. Within the next 2 years, in markets such as China and India, growth potentials of up to 17% may be seen. Worldwide, the demand for packaging is rising. Our globalized world of products is becoming ever more colorful, and the competition to stand out from the others is demanding ever more elaborate results in advertising, marketing, and above all, at the point of sale. Especially in sectors such as cosmetics and confectionery, nothing less than splendid achievements are required through exceptional refinement and haptic stimuli. In 2011, the Brettschneider print shop in Brunswick was named Packaging Printer of the Year for its innovative solutions. Especially in the premium segment, the demand for sophistication is increasingly noticeable. There's primarily a strong demand for folding boxes that give branded products an exclusive appearance by proven techniques such as hot foil stamping, hybrid coatings, or cold foil printing. Right from the development of a package, designers strive for something special, the unique, distinctive face of a product that differentiates it from the competition. And that, ultimately, can provide the decisive purchasing reason. We often really start from scratch by looking at the product and considering how we can find an appropriate outer packaging, which needs to be a great match for the final product and for the brand. At the same time, printers and printing press manufacturers need to increasingly take into account rising costs. In packaging printing, the trend towards economic large formats is likely to continue. Koenig & Bauer, for example, continues to provide its sheet offset jumbos with new features that save time and money in the printing process. This includes sophisticated control systems that constantly monitor the print result and, if necessary, adjust it. Leopold GmbH in the southern German city of Ludwigsburg, for example. At its 3 locations, it works with 11 large format sheet offset machines. This family business mainly produces folding boxes for the food industry, from design to finished packaging. The company could increase its efficiency, especially with the help of one technical innovation: a fully automatic production stack switcher, to allow even higher print runs without any interruption. When we have such a large order, we achieve 70,000 sheets per shift. Previously, I needed, in effect, 2 shifts for that amount. That's 1 shift saved. When I have such a high print, it saves us a complete shift. And that's a lot of money for the boss. Environmental aspects are also coming more and more to the fore. The Druckstudio Group in Düsseldorf are exemplary here. The company mainly produces advertising and business reports. In environmentally friendly techniques, it's considered as a pioneer in Germany. It begins with the company's energy supply and now also ranges to resource-saving printing presses. For the Düsseldorf business, this is an essential step. We believe that at some point there will be statutory regulation, and we also believe that the market will demand it. The global players who we are working for will still demand that they can count on us as a sustainable partner. Meanwhile, it's not only the paper that meets the strictest environmental standards. The company is the first printer in the world that additionally relies on a new technology from Heidelberg. Here, all the colors, varnishes, chemicals and printing plates meet the most important international certifications. The eco movement has long been a decisive competitive factor within the printing industry. It's a massive trend. Anyone not printing environmentally friendly today won't be involved in the business tomorrow. To be involved in printing or supplying the industry, you have to behave in an ecologically responsible way. Targeted, ecologically responsible production today starts prior to the printing process, as this giant proves. Voith has supplied the Swiss Perlen Papier AG with a complete system that in every aspect relies on resource-efficient components. It not only uses less raw materials, but energy consumption is also significantly reduced. Our aim was to save about 10%. For thermal energy, we've already improved on that. And in electricity, we're almost there. Every day, the plant from Germany produces a 10-meter-wide paper web that would reach from Zurich to Cairo, showing the way to a more environmentally friendly era that, in the long term, also has a financial dividend.